show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. Beta, we know this by definition that in a square the diagonals are equal and they do bisect each other at 90 degree. But here we need to prove this. Always keep in mind, when we are given something related to diagonals, we are going to make use of sides. Like in previous question, we were given diagonals of rhombus. Property was given. So we use the property of side, that side should be equal. Now here in this question, we have to show the property of diagonals. What thing? That they are equal, they bisect each other, and they bisect at 90 degree. We have to prove three things for square. So that means what thing we are going to make use of here?
All sides are
Property of
equal.
All
All
sides.
sides are
All
equal.
sides.
One of the angle is 90 degree.
not one of the angles, all the vertex angle of square 90 degree. Right? So what we are going to do is, we are having a square here. That means we are given a square. Wait, children, sorry. We are given a square in which all sides are obviously equal by definition. And also your vertex angle is
90 degree.
90 degree.
90 degree.
that is there with us. And we shall show that these diagonals AC and BD are equal. First thing we shall prove this, that AC and BD are equal. Then we shall show that they are bisecting each other at O at 90 degree. So three tasks we have to do. Yes, beta. Now first focus is on AC and BD. I need to show that these two are equal. So children, trace out any two triangles. Figure out any two triangles of which AC and BD are part of. कौन से दो triangles ले सकते हैं?
AOB and COD.
Oh, नहीं ना बेटा, पूरा I want complete AC. So one
Okay.
triangle will be this triangle ACB, and another triangle
ADC.
ADB.
ADB. If I rub it for a while, do we know how to prove them to be congruent? First thing first, will AB be equal to AB or BA?
BA.
AB,
AB is equal to
BA.
BA.
Converted.
BA.
So B and A. So in the place of A, I am writing B. In the place of B, I am writing A. And what is the middle vertex?
D.
Instead of C, it will be D.
D.
Let us see how these two triangles are congruent. Let us see. बताइए. AB is equal to BA.
AB is equal to BA.
Common. AD is equal BC. Why?
All sides of a square.
Opposite sides are equal.
All sides.
Opposite sides.
Why do we are using the term opposite side? We know ABCD is a square.
All
And what is the
sides.
property of a square? All sides.
All sides are equal.
Equal.
It's equal. So this is equal to this. And what about this angle? Vertex angle of a
90.
square?
Is 90 degree.
90
Vertex
degree.
angle of a
90
square is
degree.
90 degree.
Children, please stop. Let me speak. It is creating a lot of confusion. 90 each being vertex angle. So do we have these two triangles congruent, children?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
These two triangles are congruent. By CPCT, AC will be equal to BD. By CPCT, AC will be equal to BD. So we are done with the first task, that diagonals are equal. I'm drawing my square back. मैं पूरा square वापस बना रही हूँ. अब मुझे क्या show करना है next? Next, I want to show
Bisect each other
that
at 90
OB is
degree.
equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. That is what I want to show. I'm just redrawing it because so that it should not create any confusion. Okay. Now, can you trace out the triangles? Children, can you trace out triangles in which these four can be covered? Any two triangles in which these four can be taken care of?
AOD and DOC.
Triangle AOB and AOC.
You can take any opposite triangles. You can take
Yes,
either
ma'am.
these two or these two. Your wish. But if I prove that these two triangles are congruent, will I get these as CPCT?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. In a square, do we know that opposite sides are parallel as well? Because every square is a
Yes, ma'am.
parallelogram. So do I have this angle 1 equal angle 2? What is the name of these Z-shaped angles?
Alternate
Alternative interior angles.
Alternate interior.
Alternate angle.
Interior
So 1 equal to and
Alternative.
3. So these two angles are equal, pair of angles being alternate angles, and also DC is equal to AB. Sides of a square are equal. So by angle side angle, children, do I have these two triangles, triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COT. जी बेटा
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है so when triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD, we will get by CPCT that OA is equal OC and OB is equal OD. ठीक है बेटा clear? So we have proved second thing also that diagonals are bisecting each other. We have proved this also that diagonals are bisecting each other. Now what is the third thing left?
Bisect at 90
they
degree.
Ma'am, 90
Bisected 90 degree.
Yes. So children, see what I am going to do for that. I'm just redrawing it so that you can see it clearly. देखो. We have a square. To show that this angle is 90 degree, I can take any two adjacent angle. You take any two adjacent angles. Adjacent triangles, you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
I have taken these two. Suppose I have taken these two. Now in these two triangles, children, in these two triangles, I am marking them star. In those triangles, we have OA equal OA. Common?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Common. OB equal OD. We have proved in the previous part that diagonals bisect each other.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How about AD and AB?
Ma'am, they are equal because all sides of a square are equal.
Okay. So by SSS, do we get that triangle AOD is congruent to triangle AOB?
Ma'am, it's correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
ma'am.
Yes,
Triangles
ma'am.
are congruent. How about angle 1 and angle 2?
Ma'am, they are equal
Are
by
they also
CPCT.
Yes, ma'am.
But what is the sum of 1 and 2?
180 degrees.
180.
180 degree.
Linear pair. Sum is 180. Both are equal. So what is the measure of each?
90 degree.
90
degree.
90 each.
Very good.
90 degree.
All right. So that is how we are going to prove this.